everybody, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've just come into the living room to talk to you because, as you can hear, I come into here where you can actually hear me speak and I can hear myself think. But yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel, lovely people. Welcome to my latest Motivation Monday. Happy Monday morning, and hopefully I will get you feeling motivated for the week. If you're wondering what's going on here, I had a little cheeky filler top up 2 days ago, so I'm still looking a bit bruised and sore. Sorry about that. But yeah, today's Motivation Monday is something that I have been putting off for weeks. And I'm genuinely ashamed to share this with you. Obviously, I take pride in my home. I take pride in having a clean and tidy home. I'm very much tidy house, tidy mind, as you guys know. There are certain areas, I'm only human, there are certain areas of my house that I just leave and leave and leave and leave because I just hate doing them. One of which is my oven. Now you're about to see it in all its glory, and yeah, I can only apologise. It has been left for so long, and yeah, now I'm having to pay the price because it'll be harder to clean it. Obviously, if I just kept it up and gave it a little wipe once a week, we wouldn't be having this problem. But so that is my Motivation Monday. We are going to clean the oven. First thing I'll do is I'll tidy the kitchen and give the kitchen a little wipe down, because the kitchen needs to be clean for me to deep clean the oven. That's just how my brain works anyway. So we'll do that first, and then we will get into it. Cooper is asleep, so I've got like a 2-hour window here. It's not going to take that long. I hope it's not going to take that long. But yeah, happy Monday. Let's get motivated and let's clean the oven. So as I said, I'm going to start by just giving my kitchen a bit of a clean and a tidy up. There's no point deep cleaning the main part of the kitchen if the rest of the kitchen is a mess. So I'm going to sort out the dishwasher, tidy everything away, and then I will clean the surfaces.
Just sitting there on my chair, I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you.
I'm also just going to run the Hoover around because some crumbs and bits came off the surfaces when I was wiping them down. And now it will be time for the big reveal. Are you ready for this? Here it is. Here is my oven in all its glory. It's a well-used family oven. As you can see, it has not been cleaned for a while, and oh my gosh, yeah, it really needs some love. So I need to sort this out.
Everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed.
My face says it all. I can't really believe I let it get to that point. But these are the products I'm going to be using. So these are the soap-filled pads. These are Asda's own, but I believe Tesco do them as well. I've seen Mrs. Hinch use them and they look great, so I'm going to use those. And I'm also just going to use the flash spray with some cloths as well. So this is going to be a 2-product job. And the first thing I'm going to do is take out this tray and let it soak while I'm cleaning the oven, whilst also putting the other racks in the dishwasher, and I will set that on while I'm cleaning the oven as well. So for this tray, I'm simply going to put some fairy liquid in the bottom of it. And add some boiling water, and I'm going to let this soak while I'm cleaning the main part of the oven. I was so excited to try these soap-filled pads. They look so good when I've seen them online, but yeah, impossible to get into. It did that annoying thing where it just rips the tab off. So yeah, I had to get a knife and open it that way. But here they are in all their glory. I was so excited to try them. The first thing you have to do is run it under the tap and get it nice and moist.
Choking your chest.
And I just set to work. So as they are pre-filled with soap, as soon as I started scrubbing, the soap started oozing out of the sponge and it started getting really, really nice and foamy and getting off all of the hard-on grime. Then I'm just going to go over it with my Flash spray wipe done and with a nice cloth, and everything came up beautifully. So here's a trick you might not know about your oven. You can clip off the top plastic bit as you see here, and it means you can completely remove the glass piece, which means you can clean both sides of it and clean the inside of it and make a real thorough job. So I'm going to flip that glass over so that I can scrub the other side of the glass, again with the pre-soap filled scouring pads.
If you want, open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back.
I'm going to buff it down as well because I don't want any streaks on there, so I'm just going to use a nice dry tea towel to buffer the glass as well.
It all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Baby, you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side.
So now that every side of the glass has been cleaned, I can clip it back into place, knowing that I have got every side of it nice and shiny.
Out of me. Oh, I will hold.
Now for this gross little crevice that you get under the oven. I hate this. I just sort of folded up my cloth and run it across to try and get all the bits of food that get stuck, and honestly it was so gross. There's so much crumbs and things in there, but it's so awkward to get into. If anyone has any tips about how to clean this annoying little crevice, please let me know.
This love has.
I'm going to start on the inside of the oven now, and I'm going to do it exactly how I did the glass. So I'm using a fresh soap-filled sponge here, and I'm just going to scrub. As you can see, there's still bits of burnt food, a lovely burnt chip left in here that I need to remove. But yeah, I'm just going to keep scrubbing and get it nice and foamy and get on all of those stuck bits.
In the scrapbook of my mind, to put it down for a while takes ages. Then I'm falling down.
As you saw me do before, I'm going to go over it with the Flash spray wipe done, and then I'm going to wipe it all clean.
Ooh, every day a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day a million times.
Now for the exterior, I'm going to use one of my fish scale cleaning cloths. These are really good for glass and shiny surfaces. So just using the Flash spray, I'm going to use this cloth to rub really hard, keep buffing and buffing to get that glass as shiny and streak free as possible.
I know it's crazy, but I can't help it.
Now I'm going to get my handheld hoover to hoover up all of the horrible bits of food that came out of that nasty little crevice. Again, help me if there's an easier way to do that, because that was horrible. Now back to the tray that has been soaking away all this time. I'm going to use this handy scrubbing brush to scrub at all of those burnt on marks.
Every day a million times.
And here we go, guys. Here is my finished oven. Less than an hour later, with only 2 products used. I think this is a pretty decent result, and I'm really happy with it. If you were wondering where my children were during the filming of that video, they were contained in a cardboard bath, apparently. You ever want to get something done and you've got kids, put them in a cardboard box. Right, it's a treat. Look how happy they are. Hey? That didn't take that long. Like less than an hour, I would say. I feel like I want a shower though. It was a very grimy job. Like my jeans need to go in the wash. Like I've washed my hands, but I feel like I want like a shower. It was very, you know, because of like the grease and stuff. It was a grimy job. One of the worst, isn't it? One of the worst jobs. But I was very impressed with those soap-filled scouring pads. I will definitely use those again. Thank you, Mrs. Hinch. Yeah, obviously there were some marks that were like, just a bit too far gone, but what matters is that it's clean. Yeah, it feels good because that was something on my sort of mental to-do list for weeks, so it always feels good to get something like that done, doesn't it? Yeah, I hope that you are now feeling super motivated this Monday morning, or you might not be watching this on a Monday, you know, whenever you're watching it. I hope it's made you feel super motivated. Maybe there's something in your home that's been bothering you, and just get it done, because you will feel so much lighter afterwards. I am gonna go get my pajamas on, put these clothes in the wash, and it is a Saturday today, so we're working towards Saturday evening now. Clint's going out with his friends, and I plan on getting a takeaway for one. What a dream evening, or what? I hope you have a lovely day, evening, morning, wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching my latest video and my latest motivation Monday. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you in my next video.